Welcome. Happy Tuesday morning. We are very excited to be here today as a school to celebrate our third chance at a Schools to Watch designation, and we have a special guest here with us today. Her name is Diane Lauer. I actually got to teach with Diane back in my first couple of years of teaching in Loveland, and so it's so exciting to get to run into her again in this way. I also got to visit with her a few years ago. She was doing some trainings for principals when I was first starting to become an assistant principal at the elementary school. So it's funny how our paths keep crossing. I think she's just a really amazing person and we have a lot to learn from her. And I'm really honored to have her here today. She is the director of the Colorado Association of Middle Level Education. And they are the ones that present Schools to Watch awards. And so, along with Diane and Miss Johnson and Miss Hutter will be in Washington, D.C. this June to accept this award. And today is your chance to accept the award from Diane. So welcome her warmly, please.
Well, it is definitely my pleasure to be here. How many of you guys remember when the team was here just a few weeks ago? Raise your hand. Awesome. We were able to get into every single classroom, watch every single teacher teach, be in your office and your libraries and your counseling spaces and everywhere to just watch, to see the amazing kind of school that you are. And how many of you guys watched some basketball last night? Did you see the national champions? Yeah. Villanova. You know, when you think about winning a national championship for any kind of athletic, being on that trajectory of success, to continue success, the news this morning talked about Villanova, you know, winning 2 times in the last 3 years and how challenging that is. Well, this summer there will be 100 schools to watch that have been identified, but the vast majority of those will be first-time winners. But you, Basalt Middle School, are the few and the proud 3-peat winners. Give yourself a round of applause. That is challenging. You know how hard it is when you are on that trajectory of success and you feel like, I got it, I can do it, and then you're like, oh, I gotta do it again, right? How do I find that sense of perseverance? How do I find that sense of, you know, mindfulness that I'm just going to keep going and I'm not going to give up? 3 years ago, I was here with a team of teachers who saw the same thing. Teachers we brought from across the state who said Basalt is a winning middle school. They are champions. Where are the 7th and the 8th graders? Raise your hand. Give yourself a round of applause. You guys are amazing. Many of you were here when you were 5th graders and 6th graders, and the last site visit team came and noticed what incredible learners, thinkers, and doers you all are. And where are our 5th graders and 6th graders? I want to see you guys. Oh, give yourselves a round of applause. Well done. And 7th and 8th graders, while you continue to lead and mentor our 5th graders and 6th graders, I have a question for all of you. 3 years into the future, will the Colorado Association of Middle Level Education be back to give you a 4-time award of being a National Schools to Watch? Yes or no? I think so too. I know it. Give them your teachers and staff a round of applause. They are amazing. They support you. We are so proud. This winter, our team drove over 3,000 miles to find the very best, and Basalt, you are it. If I could have some students come down, I'd love to unveil the 2018 Colorado Schools to Watch banner. Come on
Thank you so much, Diane. Thanks, girls. So, I wanted you guys to have a chance to see part of our application. When we applied for this award, we sent in a video of some of our best practices that we have as a school. And one of the things that we're really proud of is that we're not perfect. We know we have things to fix. We know we are working every single day to get better. And that's one of the things that we're most proud of, because if we thought we were perfect, we wouldn't be growing and we probably wouldn't be getting this award. We know that we have things to work on. Students have a voice in how we make things better every day. Every time you talk to a teacher, every time you talk to your parent, every time you talk to each other or to me, you're sharing things that let us know what we need to do to get better, so that you can come to school and really learn and be in the best school ever. So here's what we shared with the Schools to Watch committee in our application.
I love it. Nice job, guys. Do you want to do one more? Yeah. Okay, on your mark. Get set. Go.
know we can't capture every single awesome learning opportunity in those videos, but I just want to say I'm proud of you. Really proud of you. Keep up the hard work. Next week, we start our Colorado State Assessment, and that is a part of how our school is chosen, is how much we show growth and achievement. And so I'm looking for that to be our national championship performance this next couple of weeks as you guys go into those tests. It's just another day of school. It's just another day of showing what you know, but I really want you to take it seriously because it helps us know what you need and how we can help meet those needs. So, proud of you. Go into the rest of this year with that leadership quality, knowing that you are a school to watch.